Otudomo make. Momak up feature dark et it kate chapet deoline, using a smoky et technique. Typically, lip en chicard. Kept simple with natural tone make. Tit difference between go en mo, goyamor extreme look with dark. Lip en ayant palskin. Moya style tapli to bot girl angui, to car specific type for boy. Anger lavel la general guideline for bot sex. Armani tutorial anti on note ou domo make. Applying mo make for girl. Wash your face well. Aleve appli make pon fresh, clean skin. Use a mil soa pour client to avoid drying your skin out. Pat your skin dry. You ma want to apply a make primeati point to help off your make powder to your skin. Apply a concealer foundation. Stick form of concealer preferable à it applied most evenly en id. Blemi chevel. Use a liquid foundation en blanc dit vel. Make sur your concealer foundation artright shade for your skin tone, 1. Tevronton can make your skin look washed out, yellow or orange. Use a foundation brush to apply your foundation for the most even application en polished look. Apply a light, natural shade of blush. Use blush sparingly, at more look focus on ayant les sont color off. Skin en lip. If you are going for a pale look then try not to use blush at goal of more makeup to accentuate the. Keep the shade on list light lip anchored on your skin tone. Apply in circle toute shake bonne. Avoir putine blush en contour orche cololo. Apply a shadow in dark color. Use a smoky effect. Star by applying a matte slide shadow of a shadow across the lid. Add a small touch of black ioline over tout et 3 of the lid. Blend darker the shadow to create a smoky effect. Use a black ioline pencil or a black liquid line. Since mo make up typically dark en heavy, make surtout jet à l'eau. Of black make. For ioline, jet a black ioline pencil. Apply black eyeliner on te lash line. Extant eyeliner à lit clubiton bot si de of t'ayant inéant ou tes corner to crête à deux ouais jaqueté d'effect. Tiken eyeliner. Go over eyeliner again until you are satisfied with it. Mac sur eyeliner en mai pas te corner of your eye. On tout zid, t'effect should be sommet à catholique. With te line slanting, uvar tovar your temple. Smudge te black eyeliner on te upelid. You can dot using a sponge applicator. Define the edge of the eyeliner with a liquid eyeliner for a smooth effect. You can also add a colored eyeliner if you want to add some more vibrancy. Repeat eyeliner application on your top lash. Try to keep the eyeliner consistently smooth on both the top and bottom lash line. Apply black mascara to up lash. Remember, the art focus of the mo look, so it is important to emphasize the eyelash. Take care not to smudge mascara on to eyelid when applying. Some people apply mascara to serre low eyelash, to. Take care when don't it can smudge easily. For a more dramatic effect, use false eyelash. Use the carefully applying eyelash glue can be challenging on you. Are working close to your eye. Use matte lipstick. You want to focus to be on your eye so don't overdo it with the lip. Be surtout use a lip moisturizer such balm. To help your look to no veer away fast, so you don't have to reapplicate it often. Avoid dark or bright color on the lip, a time or a trend with gothic style makeup. A light lip color in a slight lip or natural shade best for the most style. Lip line is typically used in the type of look. Using mo makeup for boy. Apply foundation or concealer sparingly. Only use en oog foundation or concealer to hide imperfection, 2. Don't make it look obviously done. Mo makeup on boy usually a bit more subtle on girl. Most mo guide on vir foundation or concealer but it can be go technique if you have blemish or scar. If using concealer, use the stick format go on evenly en blind well. Tap your finger pour use a concealer brush. Tout blandit. Appli stick ayoline. Puis te carfulion to your lash line in on continue line to give a smooth final resul. 3. Keep the line a close to your lash a possible. Tamu un off ayoline you apply dépendant personnel preference so try out differ looks a home to fin on you leak. You can use a liquid line to define and clean up the edge of your eyeline. Use a shadows parangli. T optional but if you decide to apply a shadow then try to use a light tamu un instead. Away from bright non-color. Sharkly a shadow a good choice. You should pualit to le bit of a shadow and detail. Boy more makeup usually less dramatic tant some style girl, tug personal preference ma change. Apply mascara to tupe lash line. You should always use black mascara when completing a mall look. 4. It no recommended for boy to curl their eyelash at secret to much of a feminine effect. It is acceptable for boy and men to apply makeup. Many famous rockstar use makeup on a regular basis. Tamu un off ayoline en mascara used on boy m'accommodant to personal preference raté tangent de red standard. Applying mo makeup for both gender. Use a light liquid foundation. Apply it with a foundation brush. 5. It should be no light étant on to wash add to your natural skin tone. Foundation tight o light can make your skin look ashy or overly mad up. Foundation tight o dark can give your skin yellow or orange issue. It should be avoided when trying for a mo. Style. Use a black or brown eyeliner on your lash line. Waterproof recommended. First use a black or brown eyeliner pencil en blended to create a smoky effect. Use liquid line to define the look of the eyeliner, sweeping it line up toward the temple at the corner of the eye to create a cat eye look. Thicken and darken eyeliner to your preference. Use a black, navy blue, or red colored eyeshadow. Smoky effect arcade tout mo style. Spray a light matte shade tout eyelid. Apply black eyeliner on tout un 3 off t'ayant alit te le bitin to your crease. Remember you want it to look soft. Apply te shadow on te loe lash line avel. Apply black mascara. Some people like to curl the eyelash first for a feminine look on to emphasize the. Put mascara on tiquier on te up et lash angle lighter on te loe lash. Some people prefer to use false eyelash for an even more extreme look. Use lip gloss or light lipstick. Use a natural shade tao on distract from the. Avoid black lipstick, dark red, or bright color. Keep the lip extremely subtle. Don't use a lip line at will attract attention away from your carefully